So Carl, you want to explain to me why every time we're at events like this, all of a sudden you have a different accent?
I don't know, Donna Jean. I get around horses and cowboys and cowgirls, and it just comes on me. I'm from Kansas, so it's just my Kansas coming out.
I don't think it's Kansas.
I wish I had some tobacco to chew, or maybe some Jack Daniels and a Budweiser Chaser. We're gonna go over here right now.
We're going to McDonald's for a Coke.
Hey, you could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars.
We gotta get loaded. We gotta get loaded up. Hey guys, we're on our way to Pahrump. We're going to show you Pahrump, Nevada, and come on and join us.
Good morning, everybody. It's 6 a.m. and we are at, Pahrump Park in Pahrump, Nevada. We're here for the 7th annual Balloon Festival, and it is spitting rain. So I don't know if there's going to be a balloon festival or not, but we're here, we're awake, and we're going to see. We're hearing that the balloon festival might be canceled, but I'm going to go check it out. Me and my umbrella.
I'm going to stay right here in the truck and watch her go check it out. Hi everyone. Well, as you know, we tried to go to the balloon festival this morning and they canceled the launch because of the weather. And so we're in our beautiful campgrounds, camping resort or whatever in Pahrump, Nevada. It's called Preferred RV. I was looking at the sign. Listen to that thunder. So, we're in Pahrump, Nevada. We're in the desert, and we're about to get one of those desert rainstorms that you sometimes hear about. And later tonight, we're going to the Pahrump winery for dinner. We're looking forward to that. Okay, so this is a little koi pond here at our RV resort, and it's got a little creek that goes all the way around. It's got some, as you can see, it's got a couple of ducks there, and right there are some koi. It's a pretty little area. You don't see this a lot at RV parks. You don't see these types of features. They've actually set it up to some degree like a botanical garden. The plants, the cacti and such, are labeled and tagged so you know what species you're looking at. Here's some more koi right here. Got little benches all around the park for you to sit on and reflect. You can see there the cactus at some point, probably a little recently, it bloomed. I don't know enough about cacti to tell you how that works and how often that happens, but I know it's special when it does because it doesn't happen that often. This whole area adjoins the clubhouse area where the pool is, but you can see there's one of those labels. They put the labels out so that you can tell what you're looking at. Very, very interesting and very well done for this type of a campground. This is a members campground, so you can own a membership to it, and when you have a membership, your rates go way down. Goes down to, we're paying like $35 a night right now. If you have a membership, it's $9 a night. So pretty cool. Over there it looks like they have a cornhole game for you, and a little playground way off there in the background. So it's well done, and a lot of trees, which is always nice when you live in the desert, to get a little bit of greenery going, especially around the campsite. We don't get that very often. We'll probably be back here. We really like this RV park. By the way, I know it always seems like there's a siren going off in the background whenever we're shooting video for you. We do not live in that high crime of an area, and this RV park is not in that high crime of an area. I'm beginning to think that they just follow me. But right now, we're out walking the dogs. Donna's over there. She got the dogs, taking them for a walk over there. And you can see the storm clouds off in the distance, or the rain. And you can hear the thunder. It sounds like it set off a car alarm in the RV park there.
Morning, everybody. Hey, we're at the balloon festival again, and it's dried out a little bit. There's some balloons taking off, so we'll go see what we can get for you.
You guys want to sell that dog?
No.
Oh man.
But when we have Republicans do that, we're going to breed her.
She is absolutely gorgeous. Is that St. Bernard or
Yeah,
what?
St. Bernard.
Man.
I said, we're going to breed her, and when we breed her and get her pup, I said, all we got to do is walk her around an event like this if we sell all the puppies.
Oh, in a minute.
Yeah,
in a minute.
I've had,
Especially if you take cards,
Yeah.
bank cards.
well, she barked at, there's another big black poodle out here, and she barked at him.
Yeah, that's a Labradoodle, I think, isn't it? Yeah, that's a pretty dog too, but I think yours wins. I'd give yours the trophy.
Here's your story, let's begin. The water's fine, come on, dive in. The future's here, it's right before your eyes. Step by step, you're on your way. Welcome to a brighter day. Don't you know it feels good to be alive? You could be larger than life. could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out.
Satellite dish is up on top, and so here's the ladder. This is how I access it. I don't know if you know this or not, but I used to be part of the amazing Walindas. Not really. And I do want to send an homage to someone I consider to be a friend. This is to Matt from Matt's RV Reviews. Matt, I'm about to climb my fat ass up on top of this roof here.
With blue gloves on.
Always.
I'm not sure. Can we
Because I look
help?
cool. Get back, woman. I did that on purpose. Now, down comes the dish. It's pretty light, probably weighs about 5 to 6 pounds. Get back, woman.
You're good.
Hold on. Just gotta say this. Matt, who else would climb their fat ass up on top of that roof and pull down their satellite dish? I would.
Hey guys, I just wanted you to know that as much as we like this campground, the spaces are really close together. Like you're kind of on top of each other. Like that's the people right next door to us. We're kind of sharing a picnic table and the tree is in the way. And then there's this gigantic light pole that came on at like 9 o'clock last night. It's pretty bright. But just so you know, as much as we like it, like everybody is kind of on top of each other. So you should know that.
Now, hey, if you're like we are, you like to hang out with people and meet people. We're social people, so this works fine for us. As a matter of fact, they all went in about 7 o'clock and wouldn't talk to us anymore.
You know you could.